You have a
Right.
priceless vessel and it breaks. So now
Yeah.
it's junk. Now it's essentially
Yeah.
worthless. It goes from
Right.
being this expensive thing to being worthless in the hands of a master artist.
It's really cool. Yeah.
They use precious metal to reassemble it
Yeah.
in a way that makes it more unique and more precious than it was before. And so this is the
That and that way that makes it more unique and more precious, it doesn't cover up the cracks, it highlights the cracks.
no,
And
it highlights the cracks, which is
yeah.
what happens to her
Hmm.
character in the,
Right.
in the denouement of the film. We see that her patterns, instead of being this bruised purple kind of thing, they're this
Yeah.
iridescent
Right.
blue, and they're cool.